This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Great floor plan in this spacious townhouse within walking distance to shopping and restaurants. Main floor, 3rd bedroom and full bath. Large living room west/a slider out to the backyard. Nice kitchen with lots of storage and counter space. Nice dining room west/a slider out to a private courtyard and access to the detached double car garage. Upstairs you will find a large laundry room, master suite west/GBL closets and a Continental access to a full bath. Large 2nd bedroom too. Complex has an in-ground pool too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.